Now, before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Wednesday as the Nasdaq closed at a record high after the Fed held rates unchanged. Now, shares in energy, utilities, and transportation sectors all jumping higher, while on the economic docket, mortgage applications dropping by 7.3%. This in the week ended September 16th. And also the Federal Reserve deciding to maintain the range for the federal funds rate at 0.25% to 0.5%. Now, the committee also reported an enhanced growth in economic activity compared with the first half of the year, with continued strength in the labor market and increasing probability of higher rates in the near future. Combine that, you have advancers well ahead of decliners. 93% of SP 500 constituents, they managed to trade higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Red Hat reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of 55 cents on revenues of $600 million. Also, Bed Bath & Beyond unveiling second quarter diluted EPS of $1.11 with net sales unchanged at $2.99 billion. And Jabal Circuit reporting fourth quarter adjusted EPS 28 cents versus 53 cents 1 year ago on revenue of $4.43 billion. In terms of expectations today out of the United States, there are no major expectations in terms of earnings. Well, on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the August Chicago Fed National Activity Index, as well as initial and continuing jobless claims figures. 9 o'clock in the morning sees the July FHFA Housing Price Index, and 10 o'clock we see August existing home sales figures and the leading index. Now, turning over to the markets, the SP 500 sees the upside prevail. The relative strength index showing upside momentum, and long positions above 2125 are favored, with targets at 2169 and 2182 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq seeing the upside prevail, preferring long positions above 4790, and the Dow Jones sees further advance, therefore preferring long positions above 18,000.